nigga Lee, I think we got
Hey, how you feeling, face?
Alright, so right now we just finishing up on prepping for the paint on the car. So far we just, I'm sanding my bumper and my side skirts. I know my side skirts wasn't the right color, you know. But I got a brand new front bumper. Don't know if I'm gonna get a new hood or not yet, but I'm probably just gonna get the Hellcat hood for it and get it. I grabbed the headlight, but other than that, just gotta spray the quarter, the bumper, and the side skirts. We in the game for real. Red seats. See the SRT. Crispy. But yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it updated, you feel me? It might take a day or two. So it's probably gonna be like 2 videos on this. But yeah, stay tuned, you feel me? I'm gonna get on y'all with some work and some painting process. Alright, so right now what we doing is I'm putting the paint thinner, I'm wiping this to get all the parts clean. He's sanding my front bumper down right now. He just got done working on the quarter panel last night and early this morning. Early this morning, he called me, he was almost done, so came to the shop. Platinum time.
No, it was like that before. It was a whole sprocket.
Was it Wayne? Restore?
Nothing. Shit's closed.
We'll try restore. Take Wayne.
Alright, so I'm back at the shop today. I left last night around 7 or 8. I let Josh stay. He finished up the car. He finished painting the parts and everything because we sanded. And I think he primed the quarter panel. And he taped everything up. And then he just sprayed it while I was gone. Sent me some videos while I was at home. But I'm gonna put the videos in right quick that he sent me, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looked in person to me. Feel me? And what else did he paint? My bumper, my quarter panel right here, glass. All right, next I'm gonna show y'all when it's crispy after we put it all together. It's coming together so far. Man, I would've never knew them red seats was gonna look that good. I mean, but fresh front bumper. I just painted the fenders right before it got hit again. Platinum. All right, so we couldn't finish up with the car yesterday because it was like some parts that mounted the bumper to the fender or something like that that I had to grab from the dealer today. And I remember that I told y'all about that front bumper piece that I was missing right here. So I snatched the bumper back off. Oh yeah, I got a brand new headlight too. So it was some parts that go through here that mount to the fender to the front bumper. Hold on 1 second. Cause I picked these up a second ago. So I'm really not missing anything now. So I think this how it goes. All right, so I picked up the fender piece so I can mount my front bumper to my front end because without these, it don't have the hose to mount, you know? It don't have the hose to mount the bumper to the fender. So, and this is the part that I was missing for right here, my front bumper piece. So I'm gonna throw all this together and show y'all how it looks when it's finished. All right, so I just finished up with the front end. I forgot to tell y'all I still need a hood, so I still need a hood. I've been looking on Marketplace. I didn't put my bottom grill in because that's in the city. I gotta go pick that up. But yeah, baby, that's going. It looked good so far. I just gotta, my hood is fucked. But other than that, it's clean. Redo my wrap. I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm gonna do with the wrap this time. Cause this kinda killed the game, you feel me? That was it was simple, but everybody loved it. You feel me? Gotta clean up the car. But yeah, looks good so far. I'll tap in a second.